Exit right. Trust me, you can't go wrong.
Exit right, okay? Pasok tayo, exit right, okay?
Ito, exit.
Exit right. Trust me, you can't go wrong.
Sure ka ha? Ikaw talaga Indian na. Ito. Sure?
Sabi niya, nagpapareact.
You can go
And
wrong.
curse the Indian. What did he say?
Uy, bakit yun ah?
Di.
And then, mirror lang tayo sa kabila.
Grabe naman yung ka-steep na road na yun.
Sa waste, daan tayo sa waste yan ba?
Busy ang waste.
13 kilometers na lang.
In 1 kilometer, exit right.
Exit right pa tayo. Sunod na tayo dito sa... Okay.
Versa.
Versa na, Versa yun.
Virgin traffic. It's the innermost lane.
Oops.
Safe.
You have to merge to the right. Exit right ka.
Exit right pa pa?
In 400 meters, exit right. Trust me, you can't go wrong.
Ito, exit right eh.
Palulit, Paul.
Exit right. Trust me, you can't go wrong.
Sure ka ha?
Ano yung Versa? Kita mo na from a distance. Malaking scene.
In 1 kilometer, keep right.
Keep right.
Versa.
1 kilometer, keep right tayo.
Yelova, Gimlik, and
Turn right din tayo. Pasok tayo.
Hintayin mo lang. Baka may juncture na ano. May to separate may forks.
In 400 meters, keep right.
Keep right lang. Ito, keep right. Not more than 5 minutes sana. Pinakat-cut ba?
3 minutes pa siya ngayon.
Okay, let's go. 100 meters tayo.